Okie dokie. Today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a linguine parsley pesto. What we have here is roughly about one of those standard bunches of flat leaf parsley that I've chopped up. Should come to about 2 cups. A third of a cup of roasted salted pistachios. 1.5 ounces of Parmesan cheese. A quarter cup of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. A clove of garlic minced. And then you want to also be cooking roughly 1 pound of linguine in a separate pot. Like I said, if the pasta's cooking start to finish, this dish takes 10 minutes. So you just want to pulse this in the food processor till it's a nice smooth consistency. All right, next step. Okay, as you can see here, we have our pasta, linguine to be specific. It's been cooked, like I always say, whatever the minimum cooking time on the package. Take a minute off of that because right now it's still cooking in the pot. So you want to take basically our pesto paste that we made. Don't worry, we're going to thin it out. And you want to place that in the bowl, or pot, whatever the fuck. Now, one other thing, before you drain the pasta, make sure you grab a Pyrex measuring cup and grab out about 3/4 of a cup of pasta water. You're going to want to add it little by little just to help thin everything out. Because, again, pasta water is kind of valuable because it's starchy. You cook the pasta in it. It's great for this recipe. So, pasta water to get whatever desired consistency. Then you're going to want to add 2 tablespoons of butter just to make everything a little more creamy. And then you just want to stir this around, adding pasta water as you go until you get a nice creamy consistency with your pesto. All right, let's see the finished product after all this is done. Okie dokie. There we go. That's what it should look like. Nice, green, and wonderful. And you add as much or as little to your portion as you like. And then you want to add some Parmesan cheese. And of course, this is just me, but a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. And that's pretty much it. Linguine parsley pesto. Done.